On this side, you see a regular sized KAMsnap. On this side, you'll see an extra long size KAMsnap. And the difference between the two is that the regular size one has a stem that measures 5.6 millimeters, and the extra long snaps has a stem that measures 6.2 millimeters. Not pictured would be one that would be on this side, which would be called the short KAMsnaps. And that stem would measure 4.6 millimeters. The reason why I use these two specifically in my type of crafting, if I'm using any type of fabrics or any thinner materials, I'll use the regular size. And then when I'm making my sanitizer cases or lip balm cases, when I'm working with any kind of vinyls or any thicker materials that are going to be layered on top of each other, you want to ensure that you're using those extra long prongs. The reason being is because they won't come apart on you. All right, again, so this is the regular sized KAMsnap here. And this side right here would be the extra long KAMsnaps.